I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another review, and today we're doing Alipearl hair. They sent over some goodies, so we're going to go through those really quickly. You get a pair of their lashes. They also send you 2 wig caps, an edge brush. They also send over one of their edge melting bands. And an edge wrap. So they sent me over a luscious 16-inch bob. It's HD lace, and I got it in 180 density. So the wig construction of this wig is normal, just the 13x4 closure, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This wig does come pre-plucked, and I think it looks really good, so I'm not going to pluck it at all. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys the knot size and how everything is looking. It does come with a middle part already styled in it. This hair has a lot of body and bounce to it. So let's go ahead and get into the install. So I've already put on my ball cap to save some time. I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses 3D Artist contour palette to blend up my colors for my cap. As you can see, I use those 2 middle colors. I kind of blended those together. I'm just going to cover my cap really good and try to blend it so that it looks seamless. So for lace tint, I'm using the Eben's Lace Tint Spray. I love this actually. I was using the Wig Tensions spray, but you have to blow dry that one. This one is kind of an instant dry, and it really matched well. So for my lace glue, I use Ghost Bond XL. I'll link that down below. But I just do 3 good layers of that, and I spread it out. So when I'm spreading it out, I'm kind of doing it a little bit on the cap, a little bit on the skin, so that it makes the cap even more seamless, and it's just a good space to lay the wig on. So the glue that I put down by the sides of my ears had kind of already dried a bit more than the rest, which is okay. You just go back in with your glue. You can lay down another 1 or 2 layers if you like. I just decided to lay down one more thin layer and it worked out just fine, but I just spread it out like I normally would. And then I kind of hit it with a low heat just so it will kind of turn more transparent. And then I lay it down and it's all good to go. For this look, I just really wanted to do a nice bombshell look. And this length hair is my favorite to curl. So that's what we're doing today. I'm just gonna curl it up and pin it. I like to roll it up like if it was an actual roller. Make sure you're using heat protectant. I will link the one that I used down below. So when I'm finished with my curls, I'll go in with a little bit of Aquanet and just give it one good little coat. And then I'll go in with a blow dryer on low heat just to kind of set that hairspray in. And then I can start unpinning it. I just want to say that not all hair curls like this. I've had a lot of hair I've tried to curl up and it just will not hold a curl. This hair is beautiful and it's just really giving me fresh relaxer roller set. I'm so happy, y'all. Look at me. Okay babes, so this wig is phenomenal, pre-plucked to perfection. I did nothing with the plucking. I bleached the knots a tad bit because I didn't really have enough bleach. I had ran out, but it looks phenomenal. It's silky, it's soft, but it holds a beautiful curl. Straight out of the package, it was very playful and bouncy and still holding a curl beautifully. She's solid, she's making me happy. It's definitely gonna be one of my everyday wigs. If you're feeling the get down, I definitely suggest it to you as well. The lace is nice. Oh yeah, this is the first time I've ever done Alipearl hair or tried it. It's very luxury. It has a very nice feel to it. It has a nice volume and weight. It's not heavy, but you feel the power behind her. You know, she's got a little weight to her. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank Alipearl for sending this over. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Everybody hit the like button and the bell and share it while you're at it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay sweet.